I think the most struggle that small business have is access to capital.
Okay.
Getting funding, getting grants. These are the kind of things that we see the most because, when I started my own business, I don't like accounting. I'm not good at math. Evaluation.
Exactly.
Like the stereotype. But the finance and budgeting and create projections and revenues. So we help them with support in terms of getting them ready to be able to go to the bank, getting them ready to be able to understand what they want and what their needs are in order for them to get investors, get loans, credit lines, or even grants. We help a lot of people with grants also, like Thai pastry, for example.
But I did talk to Cheddar. When is the grant available? I want to know.
Yes. Once you sign up to become our SBDC client, we have a team that do research day and night and put anything out there.
So do you think that's that's one of the reasons why? I mean, because a lot of small businesses fail.